If you're a developer, a product manager, or a technical founder, you know the absolute anxiety of recording a quick product walkthrough or a bug report. You hit record, you walk through the code path, you ship the video to a client or post it publicly, and then your heart drops. You realize you just exposed an API key, an internal database, URL, or proprietary business logic in plain text. The reality is simple. You can't securely share what you can't proactively control. And that's exactly why traditional screen recorders fail technical teams. Think about how we normally handle this. You either spend 20 minutes in a heavy video editor after the fact, trying to track a blur block frame by frame over a moving window. Or worse, you spend 10 minutes changing your active environment variables, staging fake mock data, and sanitizing your workspace before you even hit record. It kills your momentum. It disrupts your workflow, and honestly, it's a security disaster waiting to happen. One missed frame is all it takes to leak a credential. That is exactly why we built Cadence with a blur-first workflow. Instead of forcing you to fix leaks in post-production, Cadence includes an integrated annotation and blur tool that lets you hide sensitive sections of your screen before the recording timer even starts counting down. You mask the environment file, you hide the database credentials, and you record with absolute confidence. Let's look at how it works in practice. When you launch the Cadence extension, you have immediate access to your workspace tools. You just click on the blur tool, drag it over your sensitive data blocks, your configuration files, or internal URLs, and let go. It instantly blurs the underlying area. It doesn't matter if you open a dropdown, switch tabs, or scroll through a file. That bounding box remains locked in place, ensuring that data never hits the video file in the first place. You are highlighting only the relevant code paths and completely masking everything else. And because a great technical demo requires both secure visuals and clear communication, Cadence doesn't stop at screen masking. Once your secure recording is captured and loaded into the Cadence Pro editor, you can polish the delivery instantly. If you stumbled over an explanation while worrying about your code, you don't need to do a retake. You can use AI accent change to refine a flat or hesitant delivery into a highly confident, authoritative tone. Combined with the integrated voice cleaner, it strips out keyboard clacks, background hums, and awkward pauses, giving you a flawless technical asset on the very first try. As a developer, your time should be spent shipping features, not editing video frames or rotating compromised API keys because of a sloppy screen share. If you want a secure screen recorder built for actual development workflows, you need to change how you record. Head over to usecadence.co. Try the blur-first workflow for yourself and stop recording with anxiety. If you found this breakdown valuable for your dev team, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.